Hey friends, if you wish to change the proofing language in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, why does it matter? So, if I write COLOR, it's a normal word. If I write COLOUR and hit enter, you'll see that you'll notice this red line under it. Both of these are correct. This is right in British English, this is right in American English. So, the proofing language right now is American English. For an example, if you wish to change the proofing language, go to the review tab and then you under language click on this and set proofing language. Okay, you can select English Australia and click on OK and see the other one becomes red. So because this is in American English, so this is shown as incorrect and this one is shown as correct. Was this helpful? And you know what? This should be really helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.